10. Red-cheeked cordon bleu. One of the most beautiful birds in the world is a part of the smallest ones as well. The red-cheeked cordon bleu is native to the sub-Saharan areas of Central and Eastern Africa. It is commonly found in the interior parts of the forest at normally a high elevation. It's only around 4.9 to 5.1 inches in length and can weigh up to 11 grams. The underparts are brown, whereas the breast is pale blue. With the signature red patches on its cheek, the red-cheeked cordon bleu is among the most uncommon birds in the world. 9. Bananaquit. Another common passerine bird species grabs a spot in the list of the smallest birds in the world. The bananaquit is a nectarivore bird species belonging to the tanager family. It is native to the tropical areas from South America to South Mexico. It's found in the habitats like gardens and parks and is less populated in wild habitats. It's around 4.3 inches in length and has gray underparts. The chest and breast area are bright yellow, but the head is gray again with darker stripes around the eyes. With about 40 subspecies, this bird is one of the smallest birds in the world. 8. Verdin. Belonging to the species pendulum tit, the verdin is also a member of the smallest birds in the world. Its average length is around 3.5 to 4.3 inches and is found in the southwestern United States and North Mexico. It has a gray oval-shaped body with a bright yellow patch on its head. In males, both their shoulders have red patches that make them look apart from the females. They are very shy and most live in solitary, except for the time when they make their nest. 7. Spotted pardalote. Spotted pardalote is a small-sized bird that is native to Australia and is mostly found in the woodlands and forests. It ranges from 3.1 to 3.9 inches in length and is one of the smallest Australian birds in the world. It can weigh up to 6 grams and is known as the diamond bird due to its colorful and irradiant plumage. It has gray-brown underparts and black head. The wings, head, and tail are covered in white spots that give contrast to its dark-toned body. With only 3 species in total, this bird is definitely one of the smallest and most beautiful birds in the world. 6. Goldcrest. Belonging to the kinglet family, the goldcrest is also listed among the smallest birds in the world. It is endemic to the woodlands of Eurasia, Micronesia, and Iceland. Its underparts are white, whereas the upper parts are greenish in color. It has a black iris with a bright-colored head crest that gives the amazing look to its face. It ranges from 3.3 to 3.7 inches in length and can weigh in the range of 4.5 to 7 grams. It preys on small insects and is mostly found to carry parasites along with it. 5. Willow tit. The most commonly bred bird in the whole of subarctic Europe and northern Asia is the willow tit. This small bird of the tit family is mostly found in England and Wales, but it's also been seen in some areas of southern Scotland. It's around 4.2 inches in length and can weigh up to 12 grams. It lives in the wet woodlands and wetlands. It's very similar to the marsh tit, but has a slightly blue and black cap on its head instead of a brown one. Its underparts are more buff, and the patches on the wings are lighter in color. 4. Lesser goldfinch. One of the most beautiful and smaller-sized songbirds in America is the lesser goldfinch. With its two relatives, American and Lawrence's goldfinch, it completes the American goldfinch clade. Its population ranges from southwestern United States to Peru and Venezuela. It lives in flocks and is usually found in habitats with trees and shrubs. It's around 3.5 to 4.7 inches in length and can weigh up to 11.5 grams. It has a yellow and black plumage with a stout bill. With wing size only reaching to 2.11 inches, the lesser goldfish is definitely one of the smallest birds in the world. 3. Weebill. The smallest Australian bird in the world grabs the third spot on this list. The weebill is an insectivorous bird and is found in the mainlands throughout Australia. It ranges from 3.1 to 3.5 inches in length and can weigh up to 6 grams. It was originally described by John Gould in 1938, and only 4 species were recognized. It has a yellowish-gray front to an olive-colored back. The eyes are yellow and the bill is short and pale. 2. Costa's hummingbird. With its size ranging from 3 to 3.5 inches in length, the Costa's hummingbird is the second smallest bird in our list. It's endemic to the desert areas and gardens of southwestern United States and Mexico. It has a green back with black tail and wings. The most distinguishing feature is the vibrant purple cap and throat. With its weight ranging from 2 to 3 grams, this bird is the second smallest bird on the planet. Number 1. Bee hummingbird. Also known as the zunzuncito and Helena hummingbird, the bee hummingbird is the smallest bird species on the planet. It is endemic to the main islands of Cuba and Isla de la Juventud. It can be maximum up to 2.4 inches in length and can weigh up to 2.6 grams. It's a very swift and strong flyer, as its name suggests. A little bigger than a bee. The upper part is green, whereas the underparts are grayish-white. The males are more colorful, with a red head and turquoise underparts. It feeds on nectar and has a very high-pitched tone.